The Jeep Cherokee posts baffling accident test appraisals. The Jeep Cherokee is genuinely new, however battles with present-day crash test regimens. We give it a 4 here. The IIHS says the Cherokee gets great scores in many tests, however justifies just a negligible in the extreme little cover front effect test. That keeps it from any top safety pick awards. The NHTSA gives the Cherokee a 4-star general score. In many tests it's evaluated at 4 stars, yet in side effect tests it accumulated 5 stars. The Cherokee's execution is astonishing, given its 10 standard airbags. This year, it includes a standard rear-view camera. On most models, Jeep offers blind side screens and programmed stop help, and a few renditions can be fitted with forward crash alerts and programmed crisis braking. Outward vision is genuinely great in the Cherokee, however despite everything we'd suggest those well-being frameworks as they turn out to be progressively pervasive. Even standard, on aggressive vehicles, all-wheel drive comes in 3 unique flavors. In the Cherokee, a wet grip active drive framework can send some power from the front to the back wheels, yet has no logo task. It's offered on 4-barrel Cherokees. Dynamic Drive 2 conveys a reproduced low range and a slither proportion of 56:1 by means of the programmed transmission's low arrangement of riggings. It's ready to pull the Cherokee through 2-track mud paths and over rocks without any difficulty. Select Terrain expands this with selectable drive programs that tailor the drivetrain reactions to deal with rocks, snow, mud and sand, or game. Snow mode begins in second rigging. For instance, for less wheel spin, Sport sets a power split of 40/60ths. This AWD framework can even declutch its back wheels to spare fuel. The Cherokee Trackhawk has select speed control, a kind of low-speed journey control for tough climb, useful for up to 5 miles per hour. Trackhawks additionally have reshaped front and back guards for better approach and flight points, a 1-inch suspension lift, slide plates, a locking back differential, and red toe snares. With ground leeway of 8.7 inches, the Cherokee Trackhawk is almost alone in its class as far as valid rough terrain ability.